Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to make a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/actuary. /help ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today. The number of injury claims per month is modeled by a random variable n with probability that n is equal to n equal to 1 over quantity of n plus 1 times quantity of n plus 2 for n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So for all non-negative integers. Determine the probability that at least one claim during a particular month, of at least one claim during a particular month, given that there have been at most 4 claims during the month. So the probability we're looking for is the probability at n, the number of claims, is greater than or equal to 1, given that n is less than or equal to 4. By definition of conditional probability, that's the probability that n is greater than or equal to 1 intersection with n less than or equal to 4, those two intersection of those two events, divided by the probability that n is less than or equal to 4. But of course, the intersection at the top, that's just simply the probability that n is greater than or equal to 1 and less than or equal to 4. And the bottom is probability that n is less than or equal to 4. And of course, the bottom can be written also as the probability that n is greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 4. And the probability that n is between 0 and 4 inclusive at both ends, because n is an integer, is the probability that n is 0 plus probability that n is 1 plus probability that n is 2 plus probability that n is 3 plus probability that n is 4. And we have the formula. It's 1 over n plus 1 times n plus 2. So it's 1/2 plus 1/6 plus 1/12 plus 1/20 plus 1/30, and that ends up being equal to, well, the common denominator is 60, and we calculate using that common denominator. The sum ends up being 50 over 60, which is 5/6. The probability that n is between 1 and 4 inclusive at both ends is the probability that we just calculated minus the probability that n is 0, so it's 5/6 minus 1/2 or 1/3, and the probability that the problem asks us to calculate is the ratio of the two, so 1/3 over 5/6, which is 2/5, and that's answer B. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself comes from Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.